Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheche Okoye if you are new, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi, welcome back. So today I'm going to be organizing and decluttering my makeup things collection. It's not even a collection, yeah, just few makeups that I have. Okay, so I have this drawer where I put my makeup that is on this desk I'm actually like leaning on right now, and I have like two drawers here, so I put my makeup things there because this is where I mostly like sit down to film my videos. And it's so disorganized. It's so disorganized. You guys are going to see it in a bit. Nobody should judge me. So I bought like these containers from Kinemaster. I'm going to show you guys in a bit, and I decided to like just try out the containers. Okay, so the first drawer, my friend helped me arrange it. She tried her best, but like there are things I have to throw away. There are things I have to probably give out. They're just things that they don't need to be here. There are foundations that I received that are not like my shade, and they're still here. There are sorry, there are things that probably must have expired at this point, and there are things that just doesn't work for me. So we are going to be doing organizing the wardrobe or the drawer, and also, you know, like decluttering. I think that's it. Okay, also I'm trying out this colored hair. I don't know, it feels so weird. If you've been watching my videos, I really have like black hair, and then maybe one or maybe like two blonde hair. I've never tried a short hair, number one. Number two, fringe, short hair, coily. This is like a whole new thing, and color and everything. But tell me what you think in the comment section though, because I want to know for real. So I'm going to go ahead, and I might not really speak a lot. I'm just going to let you guys chill, put good music, nice music, and you guys just watch me rearrange this whole thing. All right, so I'll see you guys. Okay guys, so this is the two drawer. Okay, and it's not like fancy, but this is what we have. So this is the first one, and this is the organizer I said I bought from Kmart that I tried out. Then I bought this. I tried to get this one, and also tried to get this one for the eyeshadows. I'm going to show you guys that one in a bit. So I'm going to take off all these things and throw the things I have to throw away, give out things I have to give away. Like, just imagine this is not even my shade, and it's been here for a very long time. So this is the worst part. Nobody should judge me, don't even think about it. Okay, this is the worst part. Let me bring this closer. It has so many crazy things. I just put random things in here, like all my eyeshadow is just so scattered. I have like nails, press-on nails. I have like lashes. I have like wipes. I have this tripod I vlogged. Do you know what? Just going to arrange this. Let's start from this place. Okay.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Losing time, I'm fading fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. I had to throw so many things away, and I was actually on a call with a friend when I was doing this whole thing, and she was like, yeah, she needs makeup. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the things I'm going through. Not like one after, I'm not going to show you like the things I'm going to give out or expired things and all that, but like you guys saw like the after of this organization decluttering, and it's just like, why do I need all these things? What is the reason? Why do I need all these things? It's just basically like for like review sake, you know, like you buy things, you know, because it's trending and you review it, you know, because that's what people want to see at the moment. And sometimes it works out for you and then you keep using it. Sometimes it just, when you review it, you might not like it. And sometimes I order things online and they're not like my shade and they're not like what I think it is. Like it looks like what I want, and then when it comes there, it's not like what I want. Anyway, so that's why I have like all those things I'm going to either give out or kinda, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with them. Just let me know in the comment section. But let me show you guys everything that I have right now. So this is like everything, okay? This is like basically everything. And you guys saw, like I wanted to put this one this organizer in the second drawer as well, but it didn't fit. It was kind of like sad, like why did I waste my money to buy this? But I don't know, I'm going to figure out what to do with this. I know I'm going to make good use of it. I already have an idea. Anyway, so yeah, this is all I have, and there's so much more that wouldn't fit into this place. If you see how my table looks like, it's crazy. But I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.